Sometimes when it comes to natural hair, 2 stylers are better than 1. I'm going to be showing you one of my favorite wash and go combinations for shower hair freshly washed. So I'm going to walk you through my process start to finish. So I'm going to be using the Alikay Naturals Lemongrass Leave-In. If you have not tried this stuff, it smells absolutely amazing. And if you have not watched my latest video on my wash and go tips, I will put it right here so you can click and watch it. I'm just going to part my hair really quick because I like a little side part situation. And then I'm going to start and show you today's stylers. So first up, we have the Alikay Naturals Lemongrass Leave-In Mousse. Now, in my opinion, I love a good mousse because it gives amazing definition. But guess what? It doesn't give me the hold that I like. So I like to go in with a mousse first. Always go in with a mousse first, in my opinion. And then I put the gel on top because why? It's going to lock those curls in place. And I just cut my hair down this morning, so on the sides, it's literally gonna take me seconds to style my hair because it's so short. Just rake my little fingers through, and then as you can see, the curls are starting to pop. And now I'll just put some in the top. You really wanna make sure to work the product in really good so that all the strands are coated. And I don't go in with too much mousse. As you can see, like I said, my hair is freshly washed, dripping all in my face. I also like to put on a cape when I'm doing my hair because all that excess water will just run all over the cape instead of running all over my body. Just really using my fingers as a comb and just raking that mousse through my hair. When my hair is this short, that's really all I need to do. I really don't have to do anything to it because like I said, it's so short, so it really doesn't need a lot of work. Obviously, because my hair is longer up here, we're gonna have to put in some more work up here. Once I get to the top with the mousse, I really just work it in with my fingers, and then to really give that good definition, that, you know, super defined curls that I like, I'll go in once I add the gel and really start to define and, you know, finger coil my hair up top. So I feel like that's good with the mousse, and now let's start with the gel. So for today's styler, I'm going to be using, again, going in with the Alikay Naturals Lemongrass Leave-In. It's their Hold It Styling Gel. This is nice and thick because I personally love a nice thick gel. Here's the consistency because for me, I like a thick gel because it's going to help to lay my curls down. So now I just go in and just slick the gel on top of the mousse, and then I just go in and start to rake. So I'm really just like random patterns, just, you know, I'm not being super organized, you know, with it, but obviously I'll do that and be a little bit neater as I get to the top. So again, just putting that product in and then just raking it through. Let's give a little close up. And I'm doing this without looking in a mirror. I just got a brand new camera and for some reason I can't get it to mirror to my laptop like I normally do. So I am stressed right now. Again, just grabbing product and then laying it on top of the hair and just raking it through. And if you don't like a stronghold, when I tell you this gel is stronghold, this gel is stronghold. So if you do not like a stronghold gel, you're not gonna wanna use this. I will also link all 3 products. I have them sell them in my Amazon store, so I will put the link down in the description below. We're just going to keep raking and smoothing. As my hair starts to dry up, I also spritz it with some water. So I always keep a spray bottle with some water on hand when I'm styling my hair. So now that the sides and back are done, let's move on to the fun part, the top. So the top of my hair, in front of my hair, is where my curl pattern is a little bit more loose. So this part needs a little bit more love and attention than the sides and the back. So I really go in and work the product through and then smooth it. See, I'm kind of smoothing it and then pop. And then I will go in and finger coil for super, you know, added definition. So I'm going to add a little bit more product to this section right here. And then next I'm going to go in and show you how I use my 3-row styler comb to define. And pull it down. Do you see the definition? Like, this little thing right here does all the work. And because I like super defined curls, I will go in and separate and then just really, you know, finger coil the ends of the hair there. Super defined curls. That 3-row styler right there, like once I found it, that tool has been my go-to for years. Once I cut my hair and, you know, chopped all my hair off, I've been using that baby ever since. I buy multiple because I'm good for losing stuff. So I have them literally all over the house. So now I'm doing the top. And again, just put some of the products in the hair. And you're going to go in with that 3-row styler and boom. And then just go in and separate and define those curls. And that is it. Like, this is literally my whole process, guys. Obviously it takes a little bit longer for me because I go in and finger coil because I want super, super defined curls. But if you don't want that, you can just, do the 3-row styler comb and just let the curls fall where they may. I'm a bit of a perfectionist, so I like perfect little, ringlets. So now that I've been styling for a while, my hair is starting to dry up some. So I'm just taking a regular old spray bottle with some water just to, keep it nice and wet. And then going in again with my 3-row styler. And pulling it down. Just going back in again and finger coiling for added curl definition. And I don't know about you, I first went natural because, like most naturals, I wanted to master the wash and go. Like, I wanted to wear my hair curly, but like any natural knows, finally mastering the wash and go, like, it can be a struggle. It doesn't matter how long you've been natural. It took me years to master my wash and go, and I mean years. But I feel like it's definitely trial and error, playing around with lots of products and different techniques. But I feel like once you find your products and you get your technique down, like, you can't tell me nothing. I'm really getting close to the front and I'm almost done. I can actually get my hair down to, I feel like the quickest I've ever styled my hair, probably I feel like I can get it down to like 10 minutes or so. When my hair was longer, obviously, I used to have hair down my back before I cut it. It would take me maybe about 20-25 minutes. But again, that's because I'm actually going in, finger coiling, smoothing, because I want super, super defined curls. Because in my opinion, the more time that you spend defining your curls, the longer your hair is going to last. Because I don't know about y'all, I ain't got time to be sitting here washing my hair, every day, every other day. I'm not doing that. So once I style my hair, it is set for like the next couple of days. So when I get to the front, I really like to slick my roots down because, like I said, I have that, part there. And then once I'm done styling, I'll go back in and really, slick that part down because I really like my hair to fall, on both sides nicely. So now I'm just going in again after putting in that product, finger coiling. And I'm very random with the 3-row styler. Like, I'll use it on some sections I won't. You can see on this section, I did not use it. And look at that. Bam. Do y'all see that? So now I'm just going to go in and slick my edges down. I also love this gel because not only is it good for defining your curls, it's also good for your edges. Like, it's nice and thick. So it's going to slick them edges down real, real good. Again, just do the edges a little bit. And I am terrible at, like, some people can like swoop their edges. Yeah, I can't do all that. I am super simple, just a little slick down, a little edge brush, and that's it. I am not a good edge swooper. And then I just brush them up. And my part is all crooked, but whatever. That's what happens when you part and, you don't use a mirror and you can't see. So I'll just try to fix that up a little bit. And then I also, at the end, you'll see I'll take a clip and then like a little, I don't even know what those are called. And just to separate it because as my hair dries, I want it to lay nicely, to the side. I'm just going to take this clip and like I said, I just like to carefully place that in there because once I diffuse, like I said, when my hair is dry, I like my curls to lay to the side. I don't leave this clip in too long because obviously it's going to leave a little dent, but that is it, guys. Also, a stylist once told me that the way your hair looks wet when it's curly should be the way that it looks when it's dry. So this is it wet, and now I'm going to show you it dry. This is my hair dry. It's probably about like 95% dry, but you get the gist. The top is completely dry. So if you guys like this video and want to see more videos like this, make sure to hit that like button. And of course, don't forget to subscribe. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.